Libraries and Community Systems is a mixed methods research project, which means that we use statistics, stories, and community network maps to answer our research questions. And in each of these data categories, we might use multiple methods to gather and then analyze these data. I think of our methodology in terms of frame first, or how we see our work. Philosophically and theoretically, we are in with the phenomenologists, or people who value and see answers in individual and collective experiences. We sometimes call this way of valuing individual experience and questioning it appreciative inquiry. Within this frame, or way of seeing, is our way of doing, formed by a broad school of practice called community-based participatory research. For people who value the wisdom gained in experience, we would of course use a research practice that builds on the expertise of community participants. While maintaining our way of seeing and doing, we gather our statistical, narrative, and mapped data and analyze it using three broad tool categories: econometrics, phenomenology, and network analysis. Econometrics is a statistical method which leverages economic theory and mathematical axioms to establish causal, not just corollary, relationships between factors. We can't always establish causal links, and sometimes the data we use are flawed. So statistics needs balance with real people to uncover the nuanced causal and corollary mechanisms at work. Phenomenology is a qualitative research method which uses individual and collective experiences to uncover a phenomenon, otherwise known as an event or a trend, a belief, or a norm, in order to reveal an underlying truth, or a cause or a mechanism. For instance, why, if most people think libraries are good, are they funded so poorly? What is under the data or under the numbers we get from federal and state agencies? Network analysis is a way of mapping and measuring relationships between entities. It's used to measure everything from the efficiency of a delivery system to the importance of key figures after a disaster. In this project, we'll use it to identify and measure the intensity of relationships between the library and other important community entities. Mixed method research allows us to create understanding of our research context and derive more thorough answers than any single tool or method would be able to get at. For more information on our methodologies, please visit the address on your screen. Thanks.